¿Cree que empieza a pegar saltos? Que está mi abuelo durmiendo.
Oh, non-disclosure agreement.
Between bourbon and man.
It just looks shorter. I'm sitting down.
Well, mine's so short.
To Twitter, you tell me.
Excuse me.
For the height app is sorry. What?
Ooh.
Went out to Brewers and there was live music. It was.
I know Selena's already probably drunk. What's up, Serenity?
Buona sta Pepsi, sta Pepsi. Scusate rocce.
Oh, excuse me.
Text me back if it's you. What do you mean?
I'm gonna have a one-on-one conversation. Dude, TikTok will fill me, bro.
Your rice cakes, big yourself up, TJ, my brother. 5 bananas, nah, not 5 bananas.
I would crash out. Why, Haley? Excuse me, why you crashing out, dude?
A little bit.
I don't know what I'm doing. Excuse me. Honey, nigga. I wonder if you guys caught that.
Banished to stay here. Okay, I pull up.
Always.
Excuse me.
Unless they bring an Ash Cash. Oh shit.
Yo, what do y'all think of the Drake May shirt? That's for all my OG Frody fans there.